Documentary. Grade 4. Amazing birds in the forest. In this video, we are going to learn about blue jay. Blue jay. Vocabulary. Songbird. Songbird. Materials. Materials. Crow. Crow. Feathers. Feathers. Blue jay is a songbird that belongs to the crow family. Blue jay is a songbird that belongs to the crow family. It is bright blue and gray in color. It is bright blue and gray in color. It uses ants or other materials to clean its feathers. It uses ants or other materials to clean its feathers. Let us review about blue jay. Blue jay is a songbird that belongs to the crow family. It is bright blue and gray in color. It uses ants or other materials to clean its feathers. Answer the questions. Question number 1. What are the colors of a blue jay? What are the colors of a blue jay? The answer is bright blue and gray in color. Bright blue and gray in color. Question number 2. In what family does blue jay belong? In what family does blue jay belong? The answer is crow family. Crow family. Question number 3. What does blue jay use to clean its feathers? What does blue jay use to clean its feathers? The answer is it uses ants or other materials. It uses ants or other materials.